No, I'm staying in the trash outlet.
You literally want like I would wear to school.
I want to get that. I want to get that gear right there. That's the best gear.
Did you hear the windows sound that do that?
Alright, this game is actually weird. Not even a joke.
Oh, Matt, just phase 3. Where did you go?
Oh my god.
Hi. Nice to
Can you
meet
change your outfits on the? Can you change? Oh, I'm being.
You have to have outfits saved, and then you have to go to the.
Someone drive us to the casino. I don't care.
Yeah, I
Young
would, but
ancestor.
I think someone
Young
blew up my
answer. What
car.
the fuck was that?
He's
Someone
a celebrity, by the way, in the game.
Young ancestor, dead weight.
Why am I still in the trash clothes, dude?
What if these are the end
Style.
times?
Go into first person.
This
I
game
did.
is so weird, dude.
Who's it? Oh,
You get bit, it's
How did I
just
spin
weird.
George, are you in the backseat right now?
It's mainly.
He's the guy who killed Connor!
You
That's
have
the guy that's
the
killing Connor, right?
Fuck it, we need to kill
Find
that
him!
guy.
Find him!
and
Hunt
his
him
wife.
down!
No, he's
Hey, was it
shooting
the
me.
guy in the monkey mask?
Yes! The guy in the
Connor, we need you.
monkey mask! The
Hey,
guy in the
it's
monkey
like-
mask!
Connor, we need you.
Matt, let me in, you fuck.
I thought it was Harrison who blew us up because he said, "Are you in the back seat?" And then we blew up.
I'm calling. I'm mercenaries on him. He's level 953.
Oh, he's a cheater, probably, dude.
Oh shit.
You just died instantly. Oh, he just killed me instantaneously.
Where is he?
Yeah, he might actually be cheating.
He's off the radar, I think. Or
No, he's not off the
Oh, he
radar.
died.
Where is he?
Probably a cheater.
We need to leave right now.
Wait, where is he though? Where is
He's
he?
level 953.
Oh, he's
no.
modding. There's no chance he's real.
Stop shooting him, Harrison, you brick boy.
I shot the guy in the car so we could get.
Shooting AJ.
No, I shot past.
Get inside the truck. Leave before
Go,
he gets
everybody,
here.
please.
Dude, Matt, your character without the beanie looks so weird. I can't. I'm not
Connor,
used
why
to
do you
it.
have a
No, he just
frying
spawned near
pan?
us and he went off the radar. Run!
Go, quick!
Drive!
Drive!
It's
Oh, it's
you.
me. See ya.
Harrison! Where is he?
It's
Where is
Harrison.
he?
Oh my
See ya.
Harrison, drive!
Oh god, oh god.
I didn't think it was.
Look at the car stream!
Oh god, no. No.
Oh, he's shooting!
I died instantly. I died instantly.
Oh, he's definitely cheating.
He's off the radar.
Look at
again.
his strengths. He's actually cheating.
Wait, I have a.
He's actually
God,
cheating.
goodbye.
What?
You
Oh,
can't.
God. Die.
This is the best choice I've ever made. The fire
I
truck.
pressed the wrong button.
Oh my god.
We lost one.
Hey, Jay, I thought you just got hit by that car. Get in. I thought you died.
Okay, let's
Oh.
go.
Oh, we're missing a door.
We don't need it.
We don't need it. Driving the CEO plus
Matt, you're
600
still.
RP.
You guys are still all in the trash outfits.
I know, it's so weird.
I'm in business casual, actually.
Ooh, grab this.
I am actually in suit outfit.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
What is it? Dude, I'm uploading my speedrun thing to YouTube, and now, like, the second thing is for the COPA thing. The COPA. It says, yes, it's made for kids, or no, it's not made for kids.
Is it made for kids?
Yeah, it's a Wii Party speedrun,
It's a Wii
yes.
party. Wait, does it have the audio in it, though?
Of me talking? No. It's just the game audio.
And then yeah, it is.
That's so
Matt, you gotta help
cursed.
me upload my Men of War clips.
Oh my
No! We got an orbital cannon! We got an orbital cannon!
Oh my god.
David, you spent 750k
The
on
orbital cannons, Connor.
Oh my
We're
god!
on a fire truck and we disappeared.
No!
Dude, get the helicopter.
Not like
Holy
this!
shit. I got ranked up.
George, I blew up the car you were running.
Wait, that's the different one. Huh?
This
No!
is the right
No!
George, get in the car.
What?
Oh my god. The cycle continues.
Get in, quick, get in.
Oh, it's
Yeah.
time, Harrison.
I love how it.
Get in!
No. George.
Oh, oh, oh.
Hey, do you like these windows, George? Nope.
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 Oh,
Stop shooting!
Who the fuck is shooting?
No, we're going to the facility!
No, it's so far. Wait, that's near them.
No, that's where he is. This is where the guy is.
He's waiting
He's
for
waiting.
us.
Waiting for us. He is waiting for
We
us.
should get into different
We're
cars.
so fucked.
We're so dead.
Where is he? Oh my god, he's actually there.
He's just chilling. He went off the radar. He went off the radar.
Oh,
No way. I'm actually horrified.
Wait, did you
I'm
just
dead.
get?
He's
oh no! Oh my god!
No.
Did you
The
get
thermal
that? Did you
sniper.
get that fucking text message from him? He goes, "They're watching me. You better turn back," and then he killed all of us.
Come drop, bro.
Come on, let's be in. Let's be in. Let me in.
Get it, get
Well,
it.
I hate this game so much. He died.
Get
He
it.
died.
Leave Harrison, leave Harrison. No, Harrison, come, quick.
That was
Turn
so
around,
hard.
Just go, just
Turn
go.
around.
Turn around.
It changed the
Turn
thing because
around.
the guy was
Turn
watching
around.
or something. Go! Get in! Get in!
Oh, leave me, leave me.
I just saw you die! Whoa!
Oh, we're dead.
No, we're good.
He died.
Oh my
Yes.
god!
Let's go, I'm
What
gonna
is
sing.
happening?
I have the thermal
The
sniper.
monkey guy!
No way. Matt, you're clipping this, right?
Yeah.
Oh, he's behind the thing right now.
This is a new GTA clip, haha epic.
Killed Harrison again. Dude, the guy in the guy in the
The guy
jet.
in the jet's helping. Guys, I spawned over here.
Nope.
Oh.
The guy in the jet's a Hydra, so he's just shooting down with homing rockets.
Thank
Oh,
God,
that's how he was
dude.
dying.
Thank God, dude. He scoped me in the back.
Waited for us, and then we died. He went off the radar and then killed us. Oh my god! Go!
He's so dedicated.
He literally wants.
We're about to get orbital cannons.
Why does he care so much?
He just wants to troll us, dude.
about
He knew
sending
Connor
us
was in our party.
Yogi ancestor! Turn right! Yogi ancestor!
He's calling me. Hey, no.
Hey.
Change of plans.
Dude, yo, Monkey Man waiting for us, though.
He just spawns over here. Monkey Man's just here waiting for us.
Selfless sacrifice by Harrison, dude.
Go.
Selfless. Wait, what?
No, young
No!
ancestor.
Young ancestor, I hate
He's
you.
changing the location over and over
Ah,
again.
this is the actual one. This is the actual one.
Oh my god.
No!
6 miles away.
Are you kidding me? We're gonna get cut off.
We're gonna
There's
die.
no way we make it there without dying again.
I hate this guy.
Wait.
He literally,
Hey,
Harrison goes,
Matt.
What?
What's the whole made for kids thing?
Harrison's
It's
so
a long
attracted. Staying back there with him.
I'm uploading a video right now.
The game
It's gonna
eventually
take
said
2
fuck
hours.
it and spawned me somewhere else.
Wait a
Whoa.
minute.
Oh,
He's coming.
he's
You know, it's
coming.
Asia, dude, dropping sticky bomb.
The
I-
for kids thing is COPPA.
I'm gonna go get my
So in
surgeon
the United States, you can't advertise to kids.
No,
Oh,
don't.
It's just
I'm uploading a Men of Wars clip. What do I say?
George, I'm going
Oh.
to the surgeon now.
It's
Not for kids, not for
Yeah,
kids.
Harrison,
It's World War
get
II
ready to
military.
protect, dude. Stop throwing stickies.
Oh,
You
You're
didn't
gonna
take the
kill us.
turn. Who is it?
Oh my god.
wait!
George.
There's no. Get in, AJ, quick! Get in! He's shooting me! Get in!
Dude, I just spawned.
Get in!
I'm going. I'm
George, you're a sacrifice, George! You're a sacrifice!
Go.
It's for young ancestor!
It's very great. It's very better.
This is
God.
literally the hardest part of this heist.
Dude,
How do you?
I said we were gonna get picked off, dude.
This is the hardest part just because of this monkey guy.
Just because of the monkey.
Am I gonna be picked up next? Is that? Oh!
Dude,
Whoa! I'm about to die! AJ, I'm at 1 health. Goodbye!
You!
Yeah, I'm at 1 health. I'm at 1 health.
Cheating, AJ. No kidding.